Assalamualaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is read forwards and backward counting. Now start the forward counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We read the backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here is another activity in forward and backward counting. Write forward counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Respected parents, please help your child to solve this forward counting activity. Now start backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Respected parents, please help your child to solve this backward activity. I hope you understand this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.